This Class B camper van is the Westfalia Wave Pop Top. Today, I'm going to show you some of the cool features it has to offer. The Wave is built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis with a 158-inch wheelbase. Today, I'm going to start this tour on the inside and show you the different sleeping options that it has to offer. Now, the one feature that stands out in this iconic brand that I haven't seen in other Class Bs is going to be this front bench. At first glance, it doesn't look any different. It has seating for two with seat belts, but there's also a bed integrated into it. Just pull this little lever. And out pops a bed. Now, as easy as this bed is to set up, it's even easier to drop it back down. Up in the pop top, there are windows, an LED light along the top, and a skylight that can be opened with a bug screen and nightshade. Now, there is also a table that fits in here, but I'm going to show that to you in another van. And here it is. This is kind of your living dining room area set up. So you have this table you can take down, stow in the back when you want to convert this into a bed, or you're driving down the road. All right, let's head back to the other van. Now, this is one trick little thing I like. Just extend your countertop, nice and simple. There is a nice sized refrigerator. Outlet, control panel. This does have a 2-burner gas stove sink combo. Now, this is available with just an induction stove top, so if you don't want the gas stove top. There is a microwave, and then the bathroom. This is a wet bath, so you have your shower and toilet combo in here. There are cubbies for storage, a small window, sink. This does have a cassette toilet, and then a shower curtain to pull across if you need some extra room and doors in your way, along with a nice sized mirror. An interesting feature is there is a full-length mirror in here, so you can see yourself when you're getting ready in the morning. So this is the rear bed. Now, this bed right now is really set up to sleep east and west, but you can extend it. There's a piece, this right here, that will go right here. However, if you want to leave it like this, there's a step to make it easier to get into bed. And under that step, there's a little shoe cubby. But if you do want the longer bed, just put this in. And now the bed is big enough to sleep north-south if you'd like to. Now, in terms of storage, there are cabinets throughout, and in the bedroom area, there are cabinets all around the bed, which are pretty big and very deep. Now let's look at the best storage area in this camper van, which is the back garage area. So here is that garage area I was telling you about. There are different cubbies for storage, and this center section can actually get removed so you have a pass-through from the camper into the garage area. Now, in terms of capacities and battery system, this has 38 gallons of fresh water and 26 gallons of gray water. It has 600 amp hours of lithium battery. With the pop top, you get 200 watts of solar on the roof and a 3,000 watt pure sine inverter. Now, everyone's favorite subject, price. The Westfalia Wave Pop Top has a starting MSRP of $175,000. I would love to know what you think of the Wave Pop Top down in the comments below, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more tours and walkthroughs, head over to our YouTube channel. We're the Russos. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Wait, you're still here? Well, I guess that means you're in need of a good book, and I've got two for you.
Take Risks and Tales from the Open Road, available on Amazon and pretty much anywhere else you can buy books these days.